Hi you guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I am going to be packing and showing you guys my process. I am going to go out of town and I wanted to show you guys the process of me packing and the things that I bring along. So if you'd like to see that, stay tuned. And also don't forget to subscribe, and if you like, leave a comment below and say hello. I love to get to know you guys. And yeah, let's just get started. It is 8:30 in the morning and I just have all day today to pack, and I really want to get everything done as early as possible. Hey guys, so I have a to-do list that will help me just coordinate everything throughout the day and make sure that I can check off everything. I didn't do this in order, but it's just things that I have to do today. So I have to paint my nails, pick my outfits, wash my water bottle. I'm planning to refill it once I get to the Airbnb and carry that with me. I need to actually pack and I also need to do my eyebrows. And then I also wanted to stop by the store if possible and take a look at their packing cubes or anything like that that may be helpful for packing. I already started putting my items here on my bed so that I can visualize everything, and then once I'm ready I'm planning to put it into my suitcase. I may have forgotten to mention that I'm only going for 4 days and this is for a wedding, so I need to have 2 formal outfits, which is for the rehearsal dinner and then one for the actual wedding date. And then I also need casual outfits for lounging and going out and about town. So I have to pick and I have way too many options in my mind. Let me show you guys what I have to work with. So I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of jeans, and then 2 pairs of shorts, another pair of jeans, and then I have some tank tops and blouses here, and then my pajamas. So I've got to narrow this down, maybe pick 1 or 2 pairs of shorts and jeans, and then the tank tops and blouses that I'm going to be using. I also have 1 more tank top that I just ordered from BP, and it is just this beautiful green t-shirt. So that's going on the pile of things I need to narrow down. This is my rehearsal dinner dress. It's so pretty, and it has like a little open back situation going on. It's very beautiful. And then this is my wedding attire. I love this dress. The pattern of it is just these beautiful flowers. The brand is And a Love Story, which is a company based in Los Angeles. Love that. So these 2 are a must, and then get that packed in here. And then I also have another carry-on that I can bring with me, and I have a little cosmetic bag here where I'll be putting all of my electronics. So that is what I'm working with so far. I'm thinking of stopping by the store. Alright guys, so I got a few items. That was a success. TJ Maxx let me down, but Target had a few items that I was looking for. So now I'm going to head back home. So I just got back home and I wanted to show you guys quickly what I'm doing here. I am going to be taking some of these out. Well, I already took some of these disinfectant wipes. I folded them and I'm going to be putting them in a little Ziploc here. Got 5 of these, and then I'm just going to be putting them in the Ziploc. And I like to put the folded part, the nice neat part, on this side so that it's easier to just grab like this. And then I'm going to take out all of the air, and hopefully they stay nice and moist, just like that. Instead of buying the travel ones, I did this. Hopefully it works. It's my first time, so it's a little test. I'm finishing up my coffee, I made myself a second cup. And now I'm going to be doing my nails, and I'm going to be using this color that I got from Anthropologie. I showed it in one of my videos. It's one of my favorites. I really like it. And this is the clear nail polish that I'm going to be putting on top. I'm going to do that and then I'll come back. This is the before. Then I'll actually start doing a little bit more packing. Hi you guys, I have finally finished my nails. I did 2 coats of the pink color and I also did 2 coats of the clear, which I usually only do 1 coat, but I did 2, so hopefully they will last. If you're looking for beautiful colors that won't chip and are very high quality, I recommend the ones from Anthropologie. So I'm going to let them dry and I'm going to then start going through my outfit. I also have to go through my toiletry. I like to pack little by little. What I've done is I've left my toiletry bag outside on my counter in my bathroom, and what I've done is if I remember something, I just start putting things in there. And so today what I have to do is go through that bag and kind of separate what needs to be separated. Like my makeup can be into one bag, my jewelry can be in another bag, but like there's so many things in this big bag that I have on my counter, and I will show you guys. But yeah, so I have all my shoes out, my clothes, my dress as I showed you guys earlier, and I just have to tie all of that together. Alright guys, so I've got everything laid out here. I've also got my outfit that I'm going to be wearing the morning of leaving. So I've got all of my t-shirts here lined up and even some underneath shirt. I've got my PJs here with some leggings just in case I get cold or something like that. Then I've got my 2 dresses that I'm going to be wearing for the rehearsal dinner and for the wedding, and then I've got some jeans and shorts here. So I'm also going to be wearing these jeans, and I'm thinking I might just go with this cute t-shirt that I recently bought. I don't know if the colors kind of blend in together, so we'll see. I might not end up going with the shirt. I'm not sure yet, but these jeans are one of my favorites. They're thrifted and they're so comfy, so I thought these would be perfect for the flight and as a backup for these, which I got from Madewell, and they're just a beautiful straight-legged fit. So here I've got t-shirts, and I also have a dressy shirt just in case I need for an occasion. We will be going to church as well, so that'll probably be the shirt that I wear for the day that we go to the church. So let me start by the bottom. So this beautiful shirt I got from, so this is by Free People. And then I'm going to be wearing this white tank top underneath. And then this shirt is from Urban Outfitters. And then this is from Nordstrom. It's just a beautiful t-shirt, green. And then I got this at Target. They have wonderful t-shirts at Target, and they're 100% cotton, so that's good. And it's by the brand Universal Thread. And then I have my Day of t-shirt, and I also got this one at Target. Got my t-shirts, just a cute Tahoe shirt. And then I've got a PJ set right under here. I also have my leggings for in case I get cold or anything like that. And I have my rehearsal dinner dress with my undergarments for that. And then my dress, my shorts, my jeans. I also wanted to show you guys the pair of shoes that I'm going to be wearing. I should probably clean this up a little bit. I've had these for a very long time. They're just this beautiful velvety textured heels. And then I'm probably going to bring my Adidas Sambas because I absolutely love them. I ended up putting all of my electronics in this little pouch here. things that I'll be using on the airplane and for my camera and things like that. This is going to be my carry-on bag. I'm using just this super old, don't mind how this looks. It's a old backpack that I've had. I always bring this for days that I'm going on a hike or anything like that. This has seen better days. And then I'm going to be putting all of my stuff that I just showed you guys in my suitcase here after I get all my toiletries together. Okay guys, I want to show you quickly the things that I'm bringing for my toiletry. So I'm going to be bringing my very big lint roller because I don't have a small one, and it's really important for me to lint roll all of my clothes. I'm also going to be bringing a mini sunscreen for my bag. I'm also going to be bringing both my unseen sunscreen body, this one, and the mineral matte screen as well. So both of these. This will probably just be in my bag, which I need to take out of the package right now. Oh no, my nail polish is still kind of wet and it's chipping. It's so hard to paint my nails, guys, sometimes because I can't do anything and I feel like I have so much to do. So I probably should have waited for the last minute for that. But yeah, so this is the sunscreen that I'm going to be bringing. And then this one will be for my face. And then in this little bag here, I'm going to be bringing a little mini version of my big body wash. I'm going to be bringing my micellar water, and I'm going to be bringing 2 hair clips because I could not decide which color to bring, and I think both of them will be cute with many outfits. Both of these are great. When you order from Sephora, you can always get like 2 samples. So I'm packing these guys. A little face wash, a little mini toothbrush as well. This one is for my dentist, thank you. And I'm going to be putting that in here, and then as well as some cotton pads. And in this little pouch, I'm going to be bringing some allergy medication and some extra band-aids. And for body spray, I am going to be bringing this body spray from Way. It's a hair and body. Then I have just some extra jewelry in this little bag. This cute bracelet that I got from Amazon. And I also am bringing 2 extra bracelets that I purchased at Target. I'll be wearing this with that bracelet I just showed you guys. Okay, and then for makeup, I'm going to be bringing my little bag that I purchased from Amazon. It's just this little cotton bag, and all of my items are in here. Ooh. Some of the items that I will be bringing, I won't show you guys everything, but my Merit concealer and foundation stick, Rhode, Glossier, Anastasia brow gel, eyelash curler is a must. 2 new makeup brushes that I haven't used before is this one by e.l.f. It's a liquid blush, and then a concealer brush as well. So that is all for toiletry. I need to kind of divide things and put them in these little bags so that it's easier to take them out, like hair stuff, jewelry, something like that, a little bit more organized. So every time I purchase from Glossier, I keep these little bags, and I've accumulated a few, and whenever I travel, they're nice to put things in there. So I'm going to work on that and then start actually packing. And then here are all the Glossier bags I have. And then here's my lint roller that I'm bringing, my sunscreen, my body mist, and this is where I have basically everything. And then this is like all the makeup that I mentioned that I need to bring with me. So yeah.
But you are a folktale, I'm a believer. You are a pipe dream, I am a dreamer. You are a phone call, I'm a receiver. You are a sickness, and I've got a fever.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me packing for Nashville, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.